This video is for job seekers who wants to know how to create a profile in Naukri.com so that you can attract more and more matching requirements for you, right? Now, before you upload your resume to this Naukri portal or any other portal, it is very important that you have a very good profile. Profile in the sense you have built a very good resume. If you don't know what exactly a very good resume that looks like and which kind of resume that recruiters would love to see, then you should watch the first video that I prepared, how to prepare resume, and then you can come back and work on this, creating your profile in Naukri. Alright, I'm going to put the link in the description. Very good. Now, let's say if you have prepared your resume, and I'm going to show the same resume which I have used to prepare it for you, my own resume, and I'll walk you through how you should create your profile. First, you go to register. Alright. Now, once you click register, it will ask for your full name, your email ID, password, and everything, so that will create one. Or you can go through Google if you want to use this interface and API to create your. So what I do, I'm going to create mine. Okay. Then I'm going to give you, tell us your email ID. Alright, I'm going to give my dummy email ID here. Okay, very good. Password, let me create a password. And it is asking a mobile number. Let me give the office number. Recruiters will call you so that I can hide also. So, work status, experienced or fresher. Experienced. Okay, then upload profile. Alright, very good. So here I have my profile ready. You can browse it, upload it through here, or you can just leave it here so that it is going to create it. Oops, it did not create it here. Let me go to upload and downloads, and I got it. Okay, this resume is uploading. Now, send me important updates on WhatsApp. It is up to you if you want to check it up. If you check it up, Naukri is going to give you important updates. Now you're going to register. This is what it has created. Now the phone number that you have given, there will be a OTP triggered to avoid unnecessary fake profiles. And let's see. Yeah, I think I got one. And 9696 and verify. Alright, very good. Now it opens another page for you. So what is that? It's basic details we have done. Then it comes to employment. Add your employment. Are you currently employed? Are you currently working? Yes. If no, no. Total work experience. Total work experience, I would say 19 years. Okay. Previous company, Entech. Previous job title, head offshore recruiting. Okay. It is going to pick it up, anything. Current city, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay. Working since in let's say I'm just giving some dummy information. Alright. So whatever you have been working, you can pull it. Your own real experience. To May. What happened to here? Okay, it's asking for date also. Okay, leave it now. It's a May year 2019. Alright, this is how I have worked. Annual salary, let's say 30 lakhs INR. Alright. Available to join 15 days or less. I'll join. Then key skills. Okay. Key skills, I would mention generate. Okay, let's say revenue. Okay, what else is here? Delivery management. I think it's giving, right? Internal hiring, process training, I would say USIT recruiting. If nothing is there, you can create it. All right. And client relationship, I have mentioned my key skills here. Whatever you have key skills, you can mention here. Industry recruiting and staffing. Department human resources. Okay. Role, it has picked its category, HR operations. Job role, no, not HR generalist, but it is IT or recruiting or head HR. Okay. Save and continue. I'm showing mine. Whatever you have, you can pull it. All right. Masters. Course completed. MBA. Okay. Specialization. HR. HRA. University. Okay. Distance learning. Starting year. Where it is. Okay. Save and continue. Add headlines. Add preferences to get relevant jobs recommendation. Make your profile stronger. Resume headline. They have suggested something. Now, head director come head offshore US IT recruiting generated over $5 million from the offshore staffing operations. You see how attractive it is. Director come head offshore, head of, let's say we'll mention head of offshore USIT recruiting team generated over $5 million from the offshore staffing operation. So if we are talking about $500 per hour, then imagine how much it is coming. All right. Now, preferred work location, whatever the work location you want to put it, you can put it. So I want to mention Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. I'm going to write it. Okay. Preferred salary, how much I want per hour. Let's say I want 40 lakhs. Okay. Then gender, male. Submit. All right. Now it has created the home profile. This is how it look in the page. There are so many matching profiles, requirements, everything. It will show up over here. Okay. Now 70% filled it. Okay. So what is that rest 30%? It is asking. Let's see what is the rest 30%. So here, please tell us your hometown. So this is some AI intervention coming. I'm just checking what is the rest. Verify your email 5%. Okay, let me verify it real quick. Okay, very good. My email has been verified. Okay, add photo. Now it is asking to add photo, and I don't want to add some photo here. If at all I want to add photo, let me add a photo here. Here I have added my profile. Okay, then add profile summary. This is resume is there, headline is there, key skill is mentioned, and add language, add summary. 4 details missing. Okay, what are those? Pending personal details. Your personal details will make your profile richer, will help recruiters find more. So personal details will finish it up. Okay, let's see what is that personal details. They are asking about more information. Okay, companies are focusing on equal opportunities and might be looking for candidates from diverse background. So I am not into anything. Marital status. Okay, I don't want to give it. If you want to give it, you can give it. And date of birth, you can give it here. Category, you can give it. Are you differently abled? Are you disabled? Okay, this is what it is. Have you taken a career break? Yes or no? Work permit to US. Do you have anything else? Put it here. Work permit to other country. Put it here. Permanent address, hometown, pin code, and add language. Okay, whatever the language that you are proficient in, write it down. You are beginner, proficient, or expert. So here, which one you can read, write, speak. All right. If we talk about English, I mention here. Okay. And I would mention this is I'm proficient, I'm not expert. I can read, write, speak. Okay. Now, if I mention Telugu here, I'm what? I'm proficient. I can only speak and little bit I can read. Okay. I really don't want to mention that. Understood, people? Then I'm going to save it here. I have not mentioned anything else, but this is what got me to 80% profile completion. Okay. So I'm going back to my profile here, and this is how it will look like. Now, what is that I would suggest you to do? This is from a recruiter point of view, thinking that every job seeker should know. All right. So here, every day you should come to your profile and do some editings so that your resume will show up. Why? Because when recruiters are going to source resumes for your particular roles, they want people who have applied recently. Now, if you have done some editing, okay, what is the editor mentioned? Profile last updated today. So every day if you come here and do some editing, what is the editing I want to do? I'll go to fresher, experienced, or I'll remove my name Pachigulla and I'll write once again the same thing. Okay, then I'll save it. You can do the same thing. Okay, salary breakdown components, fixed. Save it here. So again, it will come to profile last updated today. Now, what is that happen? Your resume will be shown on the front page. Now, that will increase the chances of getting interview calls for your particular profile. Got it, people? Very good. Now, if you want to add any information further, you could definitely do it. And that is how you can apply to jobs. Now, here if you don't want to be seen, so let's see if there is any setting here. I'll go to setting and I'll go to account setting. Yes, very important thing. Here is you will know block companies and which company should not connect you, call you or see your resume in Naukri. So what is that here is you can go to block companies. Okay, how did I go here? I went to my profile to settings to this one, block companies. Let's say I don't want my previous company, let's say Entech Solutions, Entech, I don't want them to contact me. Let's say I don't want to be contacted by Randstad, okay, Randstad Offshore. So these companies, these recruiters will never see my resume if I select those companies, okay. So in that way, if at all you are working and you don't want your current company to know that you are looking for a job, you can block them. All right. Then job preferences. Anything to do with your job. So I don't want to go there. I'm checking something else. Okay. Change this thing. Communication privacy. Easy personal email. Select. Not looking for job. Change right now. So here, this is selected. This one is immediately looking for a job. This is what is selected. Okay. Now I don't want my resume to be visible. I'll select this. So I'm not looking for a job. So in that way, there will be no, this will stop all communication from Naukri and recruiters. Okay. Your profile will completely deactivated. Whenever you log in, your profile will become active again. You will start receiving emails from Naukri. Understood? So this is important thing, right? If you want to keep it updated, keep it. Once you get the job, you can deactivate it. Understood, people? Wonderful. So this is what I wanted to show you, and hopefully you got good information about how to do that. If you have not seen the previous video about how to prepare your resume, you should see it, because that is what is going to get you more money, more opportunity. Take care and bye-bye.